2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited its own personality with an eye-catching color such as Blueprint, Supersonic Red, or Wind Chill Pearl. Complete its appearance with chrome-cap power-folding side mirrors and power-deploying running boards. Choose a set of wheels designed for your lifestyle, including 18-inch forged aluminum, 20-inch machine-finished black, and 22-inch chrome. Its smart key unlocks the doors when you approach and can activate the power liftgate. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited's appearance from the front is dominated by a massive grille, with its surround and center varying according to the trim level. SR5 and Limited trims models have plain horizontal grille slats in either black or metallic gray. The TRD Pro has a blacked-out grille with an integrated LED light bar. Opting for a platinum gets a gray honeycomb design, and the capstone trim features an ornate, chromed honeycomb look. Their bumper designs are very similar, but the TRD Pro has a real, functional aluminum bash plate behind it. The profile view also varies between trims, but SR5, Limited, and Platinum are very similar here, with alloy wheels in various trim-dependent sizes and finishes being the main distinguisher. TRD Pro trim features matte black BBS 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires and black over fenders, while the capstone has many chrome trim pieces all over. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited interior speaks class and luxurious comfort, thanks to its plush design and lots of desirable features. Available amenities include heated and ventilated front seats with memory settings, simulated leather upholstery, open pour with trim, genuine leather upholstery, tri-zone climate control, a moonroof, power folding third row seats, power folding third row, second and third row shades. Other available amenities include heated and ventilated second-row captain's chairs, a panoramic moonroof, a heated steering wheel, etc. Regarding cargo space, the 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited offers 22.3 cubic feet of storage behind its third row and up to 86.7 cubic feet with the second and third rows folded. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited offers the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, the company's full suite of advanced driver assistance systems. It includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, cyclist detection in daylight, emergency steering assistance, pedestrian detection even in low-light conditions, as well as intersection assistance with automatic braking. Others are blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, etc. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited comes standard with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain that's optional in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is comprised of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that produce a total of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra's 10-speed automatic transmission carries over to the Sequoia SUV as well. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with four-wheel drive optional on most versions and standard on the off-road-oriented TRD Pro model. The four-wheel drive Sequoia capstone we tested accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds and reached a quarter mile in 14.3 seconds at 94 miles per hour. That's quicker than the last GMC Yukon Denali we tested, but somewhat slower than the Ford Expedition Timberline. The TRD Pro also comes with off-road equipment such as upgraded Fox dampers, a front skid plate, a locking rear differential, and forged 18-inch wheels with 33-inch tires. During our initial test drive, we were pleased with the 2023 Toyota Sequoia Limited's comfortable ride and quiet cabin, but less so with its on-road driving behavior. Its extra-wide feeling on the road makes it hard to place in a lane, something we've complained about in other large SUVs too, and its featherweight steering effort can make it feel twitchy when cruising. When we get a chance, we'll put the Sequoia through its paces at our test track and update this story with test results. Elevate your adventures with a max towing capacity of up to 9,520 pounds. 10 standard multi-link rear suspension delivers smooth ride comfort and towing stability, while the available load-leveling rear height control air suspension can help level the vehicle by lowering or raising the vehicle height according to the driving conditions. Add adaptive variable suspension, and you've got one capable towing machine.